Cars are getting bigger, flashier, and more powerful than ever, but there's a hidden cost most people don't even think about: the tires. Today, new cars, especially SUVs and electric vehicles, come with massive wheels, and replacing those tires can cost as much as a month's rent. Let's break down why wheels are growing, what it means for your wallet, and how you can avoid a financial flat tire. According to research firm Room, nearly half of all new cars now have 19 or 20-inch wheels. That's a six-fold increase in just a decade. The reason: SUVs dominate the market, making up more than 60% of sales. Add in electric vehicles, heavier than traditional cars, and automakers are forced to fit bigger wheels for both performance and safety. Here's the painful part: bigger wheels mean bigger tires. A set of premium 19 or 20-inch tires typically costs between $1,400 and $1,900. For luxury EVs like BMW iX3 or Polestar 5, a winter set can run up to $3,500 or even $4,000. To put that into perspective, the average American brings home about $4,800 before taxes. That means a single tire replacement could wipe out nearly an entire paycheck. Tire makers say this isn't their doing. The auto industry is driving the change. 10 years ago, only 5% of new cars weighed more than 4,400 pounds. Today, more than half do. EVs especially are heavy, with big batteries and instant torque. That requires larger, stronger tires. But it's just not about safety, it's about style. Consumers want their cars to look sporty and premium, and nothing says luxury SUV like huge wheels filling up the fenders. If you're car shopping, here's the catch: those flashy 21 and 22-inch wheels on the premium rim might look amazing, but they cost you thousands more in the long run. Tires typically last 3 to 5 years depending on driving habits. Replacing $1,500 tires every few years is one thing. Replacing $3,500 tires, that adds up to the cost of a used car over a decade. Choosing a model with standard 18-inch wheels can save you serious money while still giving you great performance. So the next time you're dazzled by a shiny new SUV or electric car, don't just check the sticker price, check the tire size, because bigger wheels don't just mean bigger style, they also mean a bigger bill. What do you think? Are giant wheels worth the cost, or would you downsize to save money? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more insights.